And MTN is following more fires across the state, those in western Montana. The lightning caused a blaze located 14 miles southwest of Ronan on the Flathead Indian Reservation is now burning 4,800 acres. It's being managed by a local Type 3 incident management team, and there are 170 personnel assigned to the incident. The blaze is burning in grass and timber along a steep, rocky, rugged terrain. No structures are threatened at this time. Crews will focus on hot spots that are near the fire's perimeter. Trails and nearby roads remain closed near the fire. The CSKT Division of Fire reports Friday's planned burnout operation was a success and that the controlled lines held. Fire crews attacked the lightning-caused Moss Ranch fire near Ronan without a burn operation today while setting a perimeter to secure fire lines.